This is the elevator at Edward Jones Investments on St. Armands Circle, Sarasota, Florida. So we're gonna go at 2. This is the older style of Series 5, the rarer style that is. Series 5 NEL. So lots of elevator enthusiasts refer to these as Series 6, but that is an inaccurate term and quite honestly doesn't make sense because this version of Series 5 was only produced for maybe a year or two before the normal version of Series 5 came out. So in a way, this should be Series 5 and the classic version of Series 5 should be Series 6. So we're gonna go for one more ride. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna give you another perspective of this. Why not?